Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to swap Ethereum to Solana in your Phantom wallet. So first and foremost, open up your Phantom wallet. Once on your Phantom wallet, locate your Ethereum over here. Once you locate your Ethereum, click on swap. So once you click on swap in your Phantom wallet over here, what you'll do is simple. Remember, you're swapping from Ethereum to Solana. So click on these arrows over here so that Ethereum can appear on the top. So this means you're paying Ethereum and you receive Solana. So click on this drop down arrow there, then select Solana, or you can just search for Solana like this. Okay, so search for Solana. Okay, so once you search for Solana over here, you see tokens over here. So click one of these tokens there. So this is a Solana. So you're assuming you're swapping how much? I'm assuming you have like 25 Ethereum coins. So once you swap 25 Ethereum coins, you receive the amount of Solana over here as converted. And as you can see, you have to pay the gas fee, which is around 0.0001 Solana. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.